Hey there, financial warriors. Welcome to my channel. I'm Dilawar Majid, and today we're diving into the ultimate guide to help you crush your financial goals in 2024. Saving for a dream vacation, building an emergency fund, or investing for the future, we've got you covered. Stick around until the end for some actionable tips that will set you on the path to financial success. But before we jump in, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our valuable financial content. Segment 1. Assess your current financial situation. Let's kick things off by taking a close look at where you stand financially. Understanding your current situation is crucial for setting realistic and achievable goals. Break down your income, expenses, and debts. Use budgeting tools or apps to streamline the process and guide. Segment 2. Define your financial goals. Now that you know where you stand, it's time to define your financial goals for 2024. Be specific. Instead of saying, I want to save more money, say, I will save $5,000 by the end of the year for a specific goal. Whether it's an emergency fund, a down payment for a house, or investing in stocks, be clear about your objectives. About your objectives. Segment 3. Create a realistic budget. To achieve your financial goals, you need a solid budget. Break down your monthly income and allocate specific amounts to necessities, savings, investments, and discretionary spending. Remember, the key is to be realistic. Don't cut out all your fun expenses. Instead, find a balance that allows you to enjoy life while working towards your goals. Automate your savings and investments. Make saving and investing a breeze by setting up automatic transfers. Whether it's a portion of your salary going directly into your SAV, savings account, or regular contributions to your investment portfolio, automation eliminates the temptation to spend that money elsewhere. It's a game changer for reaching your financial goals effortlessly. Segment 5. Boost your income. Consider exploring opportunities to boost your income in 2024. Whether it's a side hustle, freelancing, or investing in your skills to advance your career, increasing your income can significantly accelerate your journey towards financial success. Segment 6. Stay consistent and track progress. Consistency is key. Check in on your financial goals regularly and adjust your plan if needed. Celebrate small victories along the way to stay motivated. Use tools like spreadsheets or financial apps to track your progress visually and see how far you've come. Conclusion. There you have it, our guide to crushing your financial goals in 2024. Remember, it's not about how much you make, but how much you keep and grow. Take control of your finances, set specific goals, and follow these actionable steps to make 2024 your best financial year yet. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and tricks. Until next time, stay financially savvy.